So I cleaned up this 4200 and I noticed that it had this adapter on it. And I was wondering just what mount it went to. So it turns out that that's actually an OEM part. The interesting thing is what that bar was originally intended for, even though it's marked as Poland, it's a Pioneer mount. So this is the original Pioneer bar off of my, I think this is actually off the Poland Pro 455, but as you can see, that's your Pioneer mount, and we've got dual oiling holes drilled, and that didn't show up on the earlier Pioneer mounts that were only intended for Pioneers. But this goes on there like so, and our oil hole lines up because that's what the factory did. But the neat thing is with that, because this bar slot is the only thing that's really different than a Husky mount, and this is a hair bigger than a Husky mount, we're going to be able to put a D009 on here with no issues. Just like so. It fits perfectly. So what that means is we're going to go almost as big as this saw is rated for, and we're going to put the 32 on it. It's rated for a 36. Interesting feature on here that you don't see from other manufacturers until quite a bit later is your recoil handle is a handle for your caps. Like so. That fancy or what? I'm sure you're going to ask the other question. Does that thing run? Well, I did have to put a carb kit in it. Neat thing is the 4200 and bigger run a Tillotson HS, so it's the same carb kit as the 266, so I have them in stock.